Welcome to the WP Training Kit, video number 31, How to Install Google Analytics. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to install Google Analytics on your WordPress. So let's get started. Start with WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, search for Google Analytics, and we're going to install the first one in the recommendation. Activate it from here only. So it's activated, and you can see it here on the dashboard. Click on it. So first you need to create a free Analytics account and watch a video tutorial for help. Click on this Create Free Analytics Account. It's taking us to creating a Google Analytics account page. To create a new account, you need to click here on this link. So it's taking us to analyticsgoogle.com. So these are the steps we need to follow. Let's start with this Sign Up button. Enter your account name, your website name, and website URL. Copy it from the top search bar and paste it here. Remove HTTPS as it's already inserted. Then select your industry category. You have got so many categories here. Select the one for your business. Then set your time zone. Scroll down and click on Get Tracking ID. Inside this dialog box, select this option of accepting data processing terms and GDPR requirements. This is for cookies acceptance notification like here, and below check another acceptance box and click on I accept button and make sure you read it before accept. It's loading. And here it is, showing an option of downloading a mobile app. If you want, you can download the app. So here on top is our tracking ID. Go back on WordPress. Now click on this Authorize Plugin button. It needs your access code, which you can get it for one-time use from this link here. It will take you to Gmail. Sign into your Gmail account. Click on Allow, and here's the code. Copy it from this Copy button here and paste it in your WordPress. And then click on Save Access Code. So it's activated. And here you can see your tracking ID, which is the same with your Analytics account. On top, you have Authorization, Cache, Report, and Reset Errors option. Choose this Backend Settings option from the dashboard. Here you can edit your backend settings options, location settings, etc. Next is Front-End Settings, which includes Report settings. Next, choose Tracking Code. Here you have Basic Settings, Events Tracking, Custom Definitions, Exclude Tracking, Advanced Settings, Integration, and you have all the details. The last one is Error and Debug. It will give all your error details. Back to Google Analytics. And that's how you can install and work with Google Analytics on WordPress. Thank you for watching. Here we have covered everything you need to know to successfully run your site on WordPress. Hope you've enjoyed the training.